What's up, guys? It's Batman Plays, and today I have an Animal Jam video for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of this video. So, yeah. Let's get started. We're a new jammer. Yeah. Focus. Yeah. It's not focusing. We are a wolf. Yeah. It's really clear. Just gonna show you guys. This is our den. Really cool. And I basically just want to know if you guys want to see more. And if you guys do, make sure you guys let your friends know to check out my channel. That'd be spectacular. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Please like, please subscribe, and just let me know if you guys want to see more of this. This is why it's the end. Bye.